Alrighty guys, day 10 giveaway. Again, if you haven't seen the other giveaways, all the way from giveaway 6, 7, 8, 9, and now this one, I'm announcing the winners for all of these will be announced on the 22nd or 23rd, so go back and check those, enter for your chance to win those as well. For today's giveaway though, we are going to be giving away Koch Chemie C0.02, their ceramic all-around coating kit. Awesome kit. It's a larger bottle than usual. So with that, you get more applications done, right? You can do multiple cars with it. It's really nice. So we're gonna include that. And then we're also gonna throw in a MJJC ProV2. This is really my go-to. The V3 is also incredible. I love them both. Both get the same amount of foam production. It's just for me, the V2 with this type of bottle is a little more robust, just in my personal opinion. The V3 though has the really cool quick attachment, which is incredible as well. But we'll include that, the coating kit, and a bottle of PPS panel prep spray so you can get your coating on properly and get it all set up. So in order to win this giveaway, just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like, comment, and share on this video, and then go over to my Instagram for an additional chance to win. There'll be a post there. Like, comment, and share on that as well as subscribe to my Instagram. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next giveaway.